A very good morning to all of you. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to anchor yoga competition on the very special occasion of International Yoga Day. To start with, I, on behalf of Glytorian family, wholeheartedly welcome our Honorable Coordinator Ma'am, Mrs. Rajinder Pal Kaur. We hope that with your energy, enthusiasm, and focus on education and learning, our institution achieves greater excellence. Under your leadership and guidance, may we reach our next levels of glory. I welcome Mrs. Sarjeet Kaur and Harpal Kaur, who are the judges of this competition. I also welcome Mrs. Jasmeet Kaur, our computer teacher, all the participants and the parents who are present over here. Like to ask for permission to start on the competition. May we start, ma'am?
Sure, ma'am. You can proceed.
Our yoga teacher to start the competition. Over to Harpal Kaur, ma'am.
Fifth class competitors, ready for Surya Namaskar, bache? Start. 1, 2,
what Karanveer is doing.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Relax. Relax. Fourth class competitors, ready position of Surya Namaskar. Start. 1. Start, bache. Yes. 1. Look at front. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Slowly come back. First position and both hands down. Relax. Get ready for tree pose. Stand and start.
Anushka.
Start to take position of tree pose. Look at front. Take a position. And you start now of tree pose. Your time is over. Slowly come back from tree pose. Now same perform tree pose other side. Same perform tree pose other side. Take your position. Look at front. Hold it. And your time starts. Slowly come back. Your time is over. And relax. Second class competitors, get ready to take position of happy baby pose. Second class competitors, start to do happy baby pose. Yes, hold it. Hold it. Your time start now. Yes. Hold it. Your time is over. Slowly come back from happy baby. Slowly come back and down and relax. Fifth class competitors, ready for Halasana. Start to take position of Halasana. Yes, stay here for 10 seconds. Your time start now. Your time is over. Slowly come back from Halasana. Slowly come back and relax. Ready? Start. Start. Yes. Hold it. Hold it, bache. Your time start now. Stay here. Your time is over. Slowly come back. Ready for child pose. Start, bache. Start to take position of child pose. Stay here. Hold it. Your time start now. Slowly come back. Your time is over. Take your position. And your time start now. Hold it. Sahaj, hold it proper, bache. Yes. Your time is over. And relax. competitors, ready position of Chakrasana. Yes. Start and hold it. Good. Yes, your time start now. Slowly come back. Your time is over. Slowly come back. And relax. Ready position of camel pose. Yes. Start.
Kirti, start.
Hold it.
Start.
Hold it. Hurry up, Vani. And your time start now. Your time is over. Slowly come back and relax. Firstly, you have to perform cat pose. Ready?
Anushka, start, beta.
Start, bache. Firstly, you have to perform cat pose and hold it for 10 seconds. Stay here. Your time start now. Your time is over. Now you come into cow pose. Now you come into cow pose, bache. Yes. Stay here. Stay here. Hold it for 10 seconds. Hold it. And slowly come back.
Divan Goel is not properly visible, no? Legs.
Yes, ma'am.
Divan Goel.
He's
Now,
doing good.
your time is over. Your time is over. Relax. Start to take position of Purna Bhujangasana. Harbin, start, bache. Yes. Stay here. Hold it. Hold it. Your time start now. Okay, your time is over. Slowly come back. Ready to take position of Dhanurasana. Start, bache. Navraj, yes, yes. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. Your time start now. Good. Yes. Your time is over. Slowly come back from Dhanurasana and start to take position of warrior pose. Anushka, yes, hurry up, bache. Take your position. Hold it. Hold it. Your time start now. Your time is over. Slowly come back. Same perform. Other side. Warrior pose. Same on other side. Same on other side. Lavanish, bache, stand up. Same on other side. Both sides. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Stand up. Hurry up. Take your position. Yes, yes. Good. Yes. Your time is start now. Hold it. Yes. Relax. Slow. Second class competitors, ready position of crescent moon pose, bache. Yes. Take your position. Good. Stay here. Stay here. Yes.
मानस स्टार्ट बच्चे.
Hold it. Hold it, बच्चे. Yes. Your time is over. Slowly come back from this asana and relax.
And now I request our respected coordinator ma'am to say a few words.
Sure, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I congratulate everyone on this International Yoga Day. Dear students, the theme of International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being, meaning to do yoga to attain good health. As we already know, the pandemic, it is prevailing. To defeat it, to overcome this disease, good health is required. Good health doesn't mean just only the physical health. It is the physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. And this health we can attain, we can get by doing yoga.
Thank you, Jesus. And again, I have to give vote of thanks. I give my sincere thanks to our respected coordinator ma'am for awakening the passion and desire to support us as we gather to reach the goal of success. Thank you for your encouragement and for your valuable words. Thank you very much, ma'am. I thank our yoga teacher, Miss Harpal and Sarpreet Kaur for executing the whole competition perfectly. I thank the computer teacher, Mrs. Jasmeet Kaur, for recording this event. I thank all the participants who maintain proper discipline, and also thank all the parents for your support and encouragement. Without your support, and the children were not able to excel. Thank you very much for joining this event. Once again, I thank all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you very much.
Thanks,
And
ma'am.
Jasveer ma'am, you also. Thank you, Jasveer ma'am.
Thank you.
Jasveer.
Thank you, teachers.
Take care of your bache.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to all of you.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, enjoy the day.